Welcome back to Kelsey and Kylie Vlogs! Today, I didn't know if you were going to intro or if I was going to intro. Go ahead, intro. Okay, so today is the day before our team's Halloween get together with our coach. It's the day before our first meet, and we usually have like a Halloween party with our swim team. So we each have picked a costume. I'm going to do a test run on Kelsey's makeup for this costume because it is kind of complicated. Kelsey, tell them what you're going to be.
So the senior class always does like a theme together. They all match each other, and our theme is zoo animals. And since all the regular ones are taken, I decided to be a snake, and people told me it's fitting.
Relatable.
I'll show you my costume at the end, but I have my face makeup done right now, and then she's gonna do like the eye and the scales.
Snakey.
Okay. Kylie just said that snakes have gills.
They don't
have gills! What kind of snakes have you been looking at? See, we have a swim meet tomorrow we have to be like awake at like 6:30. And I know that's not that early, but when you're going the entire day, it's a long day. We're gone until like 10 at night, at the earliest. So literally 6:30 till 10.
You got this sticker.
Stencil.
Oh, look. We're going to put this on Kelsey's face. There. You look, I was like, there. So I'm going to put the blush on first. Oh, I'm using a Tarte blush just to give her a little bit of a base. Before we go in and fill in the spaces, I'm using a super dense brush just to get the product on there, and I'm going to make it thick because I want it dark. Cute. Okay, now we're taking from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, we are taking Sparks.
Which one?
Oh, Bling Boss. We're taking Sparks from Bling Boss. We're just gonna get the center a little bit more dense. This is basically what you do to do mermaid makeup too, but you know, it could have been a fish.
Next year.
You don't have a next year.
No, it's funny.
And from the same palette, I'm going to take a little bit of Rockstar, which is like a purpley color.
I might even be a rock star.
I might even be a rock star. And now I'm taking Mystic in the top corner. Just getting her on there. And then, here's for the fun part. Kelsey and I bought some incredible You Glow Girl Joe called Cosmic Blur. Ooh, this looks so cool. Ah! So Kelsey's forehead looks a little bit messed up right now. It looks really messed up on camera. And I'm gonna slowly, oh god, peel this off.
It doesn't hurt. You don't have to be like careful. Does it look cool? That is way darker than I expected.
I like it. We're gonna have to clean it up a little bit.
Well, yeah, but that's fine.
That's what that looks like. We're gonna, can I clean this out a little bit? Here, let me use my finger. Or you can just put concealer around it.
Yeah, that's what I was assuming we'd do.
Cool. I'm gonna move on to a different part of her face. Now we're gonna fix it, because I am not leaving it like that on your face. And I'm using Hush Hush on Kelsey's lid. Because her face is pretty bold, I don't think we're gonna do like a really bold eye. I think we're going to use some nude colors, a darker crease, and then we'll put some sparkle on it. I just don't feel like we need to put a lot. on her face. I'm now taking Sparks and taking it into her outer crease. Just kind of buffing it out. I'm gonna put some blush on you.
It was red, wasn't it?
Snakes kind of look scary.
How does snake look? Sure.
I'm gonna put the highlighter lower than I usually do, just because we put a ton of like really dark contour on it, and I kind of want to blend it out. I also want her cheekbones to look a little bit more shallow. What's this? Ooh. Cool. Hello, my baby. Hello, my darling. Hello.
Okay, I'm back and I changed into a tank top because there's like a jacket that goes with my that goes with my Halloween costume. We're doing the collarbone now. My collarbone already sticks out, so like, yay. That was so dramatic.
Is that my phone? It was my phone.
I bet it's in the trash. The trash is right there.
I'm kind of like Bob Ross now, and I'm like, yes, the creation can be done. Oh, now we're my favorite part. Yes.
I'm sure that looks great.
You look deathly right now.
So for the lip, I've already started putting it on because I forgot that we were filming a video. I'm doing Pure Color Envy Lipstick Rouge in, oh, that's, I'm an idiot. It's called Red Ego in shade 250 from Estee Lauder. That was my phone that I was using as a mirror. So that's the final look. Sorry.
Give me your honest opinion.
No, I really like it. I do think tomorrow we should do like a light gray underneath first so that it matches the jacket more. You know, like before you do the red. But I really like it. 10 out of 10.
Cute.
Oh, you didn't even get the ring. Like and subscribe.
Tell us what you want us to do next.
Yeah, we need ideas.
We're bored.
I'm not bored.
I am.
I'm pumped. Do you poop?